Hello, I'm Mary, and today we'll see how to use the planner, the filter functions of the planner, the display, and the export of files containing deadlines within the 4HSE platform. Let's get started. Open the project, which means select the headquarters where you want to do the schedule planning. Right now, of course, no deadline will be displayed as we have nothing planned yet. Before proceeding with the schedule planning, let's have a look at the structure of the planner. At once you will see that the planner is divided into two parts, search and calendar. These two instruments allow us to apply a filter to display period of validity expired or close to expiry for the user, and let's see how. Where the system gives you options to choose, you just have to make an indifferent choice between one of the event types listed, date or due date of the object selected, PPA status, choose between expired if the date of the PPA has expired, or expiring if expiry date is near. Event status, choose between one or more of the options. Or you can simply type the name. The system automatically filters the deadlines of your interest. Next to every deadline, you'll find an icon or symbol indicating which kind of action you're looking at. You can choose between training, maintenance, medical surveillance, delivery date of PPE, assignments, procedures. It is possible to have all the expiry dates displayed or only the result of one specific search. We can proceed in various ways. Let's take an example. Clicking on expires, all expiry dates related to a specific company or site will be displayed, and these dates can be ordered by date or due date simply by clicking on the head of each column. Another way to proceed is clicking on calendar. The default display is the monthly display, but by clicking on the left side icon, you can change the display mood into week or day if you want to. Finally, you have the possibility to export the calendar files in an iCal format in order to use it with other software applications. Well, at this point, you should be able to filter, display, and export your deadlines of your scheduled programs. In the upcoming tutorial, we'll see how to add the activities that then subsequently need to be monitored, how to send alerts to the various persons added to the project and involved in the preventive activities of your company. Thank you for your kind attention. See you again in the next tutorial.